5 Basis of Classification. In this video, we will learn about the introduction of basis of classification, hierarchy of categories, and different phylum with its general features and its example. Introduction. Living organisms are so large in number that they need to be classified into smaller groups. Classification of living organisms is made on the basis of their characteristics, similarities, and difference. Hierarchy of classification. The system of arranging taxonomic category in a descending order based on the relationship with other groups of organisms is called hierarchy of classification. The main aim of hierarchical taxonomy is to assign an organism in appropriate place within the systematic framework of classification. Carolus Linnaeus introduced this system of classification and he named it as Linnaean hierarchy. There are 7 main categories of hierarchy, namely kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Species is the basic unit of classification. Based on the classification of animal, let us see different phylum with general features and examples. Phylum Protozoa. Example is amoeba, euglena, paramecium. General characteristics of protozoa are microscopic, unicellular, heterotrophs, eukaryotic organism, that is, it is not having nucleus. Locomotion by pseudopodia, flagella, and cilia. Reproduction, fission or conjugation. Phylum Porifera. Example is Leucosolinea, Spongilla, and Cycon. The general characteristic of Porifera are multicellular organism with holes in the body, skeleton formed of spicules, mostly aquatic, sessile, asymmetry or radially symmetry. Holozoic nutrition. Phylum Coelenterata. Example is Hydra, sea anemone, and jellyfish. General characteristic of Coelenterata are multicellular organism, diploblastic, sessile or free swimming, body radially symmetry, solitary or colonial, sexual and asexual reproduction. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Example is Planaria, liver fluke, and tapeworm. General characteristic of phylum Platyhelminthes are body cavity is acoelomate, triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical, parasite inside the body of animal and human beings, mostly hermaphrodite, that is bisexual. Phylum Aschelminthus. Example: Ascaris lumbricoides. General characteristic of Aschelminthus are unsegmented body, mostly parasites in human being at animals causing disease, bilaterally symmetrical, asexual reproduction, and the next phylum is Annelida. Example: earthworm, Nereis, and leech. General characteristic of Annelidas are triploplastic, bilaterally symmetrical, segmented body, location, that is locomotion, is setae and parapodia, hermaphrodite, bisexual and unisexual. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Example of Arthropoda are crab, prawn, and millipede. General characteristic of arthropods are segmented body, exoskeleton made of chitin, paired and joint legs, unisexual, exhibits sexual dimorphism. Phylum Mollusca. Example: cuttlefish, snail, octopus. The general features of mollusca are soft-bodied, unsegmented, muscular head, foot and visceral mass, a gregarious shell, bilaterally symmetrical, sexual reproduction, and the last phylum is Echinodermata, that is, body is covered by spines. Example: starfish, sea urchin, and sea cucumber. General characteristic of Echinodermata are exclusively marine, spines and spicules over the body, water vascular system is present, tube feet helps in locomotion, feeding and respiration, and it is reproduced by sexually. Children, in the next video we will learn about the phylum Chordata. Thank you, children.